all the way through this, I've talked about something called Masterclass. Masterclass is a 2.5 day class. Starts usually half day on the first day, full day the second day, full day the third day. What we do in Masterclass is in-depth coverage, day one, of finding flips, discussing auctions, and wholesaling. Then in day two, we talk about hard money. We're probably going to have a hard money lender in, or at least on Zoom at the very least. Extensively cover funding with your flips, because that's where most people are going, what? Where in the hell I get the money? Walk a potential flip house. That's your number one house that we're going to walk. Go through potential pricing for that number one house, okay? Day three, we walk a potential flip house number two, second house. We're going to work our rental pricing on it, go through contracts, and then I go through logistics and how your job process goes from day one through day 90, so that you see what happens and how I break it up so that I can control it in a timely manner, and I control it with some clarity on what happens here, and I can roll from this to this to this to this, because there's 4 sections to a flip. Obviously, find, fund, fix, flip. There's your 4 sections. So I have 4 notebooks that I keep, so everything is divided up for me. Masterclass is $2,500. It includes a 239-page workbook. That workbook is also on a flash drive for you, including all of your contracts. And then I also give you the contracts so that you can fill them in. They're in Word or Excel or every other document that you could possibly make the change, whatever you want to put in it. You can cut and paste. You can do whatever you want with it. It's yours. The 2.5 in-person is all-inclusive training. So it also includes the buy one, get one, so that you bring your partner with you to class. I don't want you to try and explain everything that you heard to somebody else secondhand. They can hear it too. They get all the information. They get their own workbook. They get their own flash drive. Everything goes together for the both of you so that you can now start a business the way you were supposed to start it, with a partnership. So, and then I walk you through your first deal. So you're not doing this alone. I'm going to help you find it. I'm going to help you set up your hard money lending if that's what it's going to necessarily need to get it started, or whatever financing you want to put together. And then I'm going to help you all the way through that flip. So I'm going to help you with construction. That's going to be a big one. If you're not in construction, and I am, you need to have somebody that automatically can pick up on stuff and can learn a lot quicker. So I walk you through that first deal so that you don't have to try and do everything alone. I also have an attorney that puts together your LLC paperwork. If you would choose to use mine, that's fine. I don't make anything on it. The $2,500 and the $4,600, you get a discount. The key normally charges $2,500, which would make your deal $5,000. He gives me a little bit better pricing, so $4,600 for the LLC paperwork and everything filed with the state, and it includes the Masterclass. So that's it. Fix and flip. I hope I see you at one of my classes. I hope you enjoyed everything you got. If you have information you'd like to have separately, or you need additional information, please feel free to call me, text me, or email me. My cell phone is 972-639-6396, and my email is sj@dallasrei.com.